What's up, y'all? It's Alicia Ball back again for another video. So today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how I planted my strawberry plants into my raised bed garden. So the strawberry variety that I'm going to be using today is called Diamante by Monrovia. These strawberry plants are known for being semi-evergreen, for having really large fruit, and for also growing to be about 12 to 18 inches tall. Okay, so first I'm going to start off by digging a hole that's 3 times the width of the container. And so I didn't do any like specific measurements or anything like that. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it and see if I can make the hole big enough. Okay, so now that my hole is just about big enough, I'm just going to hold the plant at its crown and gently take it out of the pot. And so because it was sitting in that container, the roots at the bottom are kind of tight. So I'm just going to gently loosen up the roots just to give them a better chance at really settling into the ground and spreading out now that they have more room. And so I'm also looking for any rocks or any hard pieces that may get in the way of the roots. Okay, so I noticed that one of my strawberries is beginning to rot. I'm not sure what caused this to happen, but in order to be safe, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off from my strawberry plant because I don't want it to spread to my other strawberries. But look at that, what a shame, just a beautiful strawberry going to waste. Next, I'm just gonna water my root ball before I fill in my hole. I'm doing this to ensure that my roots get enough water before filling the hole. This will kind of help the plant have a better chance at withstanding the changing environment and just getting adjusted to being outdoors. And so yeah, now I'm just gonna fill up my hole. And so whenever I planted my strawberry plant, I planted the crown just slightly above soil level. You definitely don't want to bury your crown because that'll cause your strawberry plant to die, because right at the crown is where all the sun energy enters the strawberry plant. Okay, so lastly, I'm going to be mulching around my strawberry plant. I'm doing this for 2 reasons. The first reason is to lift my strawberries up from off the soil. The soil carries a lot of different fungus and pathogens that can be really harmful to your strawberries and cause them to rot and die. And so I don't want that to happen. And also, the mulch around the strawberry really helps insulate the strawberry plant and keep it cool during a hot summer. And so the mulch will actually hold some of the moisture inside the soil, which is overall just healthier for your strawberry plant. And so yeah, another thing that I want to mention is that I noticed ants and other little insects crawling around in my raised bed. So I'm hoping that the mulch will help minimize the amount of pest problems I have. So that's pretty much it. Just some more fun facts about these strawberry plants is that they can withstand a minimum temperature of -40 to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. So they're really cold hardy. Also, they're full sun, and they're like really rich and fertile, well-drained soil. I fertilized my soil before I planted these strawberry plants a few weeks ago, so I won't be fertilizing again. And so yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.